Okay, hello. Now we'll try to play and see what's going on with the vQuake rendition of vQuake under emulation. We will use Tremor, a new map pack which claims to be vanilla or maybe vanilla compatible. We will see. Okay, for the first thing we need to set up screen resolution. Unfortunately, screen resolutions higher than 860 by 800 by 600 is unfortunately resolution higher than 800 600 will not work correctly. Some of them not gonna show you menu and your game will crash, and more higher resolution will crash the game while you're going underwater. And the game uses too much lock and unlock buffer, so it may really struggle. As you see. Okay, anyway, there was a lot of demos, and it looks like they are compatible to vanilla Quake, so Tremor can be played on original DOS version even. Because I don't think vQuake become much more advanced. Oh my god. And DOSBox in that case is really struggle. So slowdowns is common thing. Especially a bottleneck is dynamic lights. It so highly decrease frame rate. So DOSBox is weak, unfortunately, to run vQuake. vQuake is a DOS-based hardware accelerated version of Quake, released before glQuake and unfortunately it is based for DOS and for rendition with video cards. But now, thanks to Charanga Dayananda, we have wrappers which could run this game, and also as other games, among of them 3 games are exclusive, so they never been hardware accelerated before. I mean, you cannot run them on modern computer with hardware acceleration. Among them is IndyCar Racing 2, Rebel Moon, and Soda Off-Road Racing. And I can consider Quake 1 and Hexen 2 and Quake 2 half exclusive. Or let's say maybe just really interesting to look at. Because, you know, a lot of console variables are exclusive to those rendition read versions. So let's go and play. I hope it will be... everything will be alright. Because game is really struggle to run in DOSBox. And I probably will make some notes. I will open up text editor. And write what I see about vQuake. DOSBox CPU emulation is bottleneck. vQuake tests 2026. What I also see if we change our resolution way back to 320 to 200, well, the rendition will read itself able to enhance this resolution by trying to upscale internal resolution, but the models are really one thing that can be scaled, and the rest world geometry is unfortunately QSpan based, and as you can notice, even here QSpan not aligned so well. This is especially seen here. Oh my god. I need to customize controls and reassign attack to mouse 2 because my mouse 1 is broken. Okay. Air anti-alias for what? It doesn't produce normal particles. Oh, I see. So they actually okay. QSpawn alignment not perfect. as you see, you have that saw, chainsaw side. Also, anti-aliasing, not, you know what I can say about anti-aliasing. Hmm. Not fully implemented. Still experimental. Okay. I remember uh, exec auto exec cfg. Can I type? No, there is no command type. So let's increase our resolution back to 100, 800 by 600. It's much more optimal resolution. Well, I think because Q spawns is not perfectly aligned, then after we going far away, some cracks in the map can be seen. Or I'm not sure if in software rendered version we have cracks here. Oh. Okay, especially Sky in the vQuake is really bottleneck for those box. Oh my god. It makes game really slow. Unfortunately, it's not all. It's about DOSBox, not emulation. Emulation. Oh, I mean, it's about emulation. Uh, about DOSBox. This is not wrapper issue. Well, also, wait a little bit. I need to find all the um. Well. Ah, forget. We'll find later. Okay, let's restart the game. Yeah. And play it a little bit and see what's going on. Oh my god, those box really slow down the Sky, and those box also bottleneck for, or even for dynamic lights. It's bottleneck. It slows down the game. Those box really struggle. Well, maybe Sharanga Dayananda will find a way how to unlock more cycles in those box so vQuake can run much more perfectly. Because he want to unlock cycles in those box for exclusive game in the car racing 2. He doing a widescreen uh, modification for that game. Wow, architecture work in this Tremor is brilliant. Okay, let's go somewhere. So this is calamity control. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's slow. Welcome to 90s FPS. Whoa, what? It's disappearing? Hmm. Well, we hope only it will be improved. It's not so needed to be unlocked cycles as fast as original hardware. Oh, hello, near solo. Well, no, I think it's not possible in those box to unlock cycles to be like an original hardware accelerate. I mean, in original DOS. Well, I think if you are going to unlock more cycles and for IndyCar Racing 2, maybe you will consider and look into Quake 1 performance. And the bottleneck about Quake 1 is dynamic lights. The ones which produce it when you shoot. For example, if we get all the weapons, especially rocket launcher, produces too much dynamic light, and it's really slow down the game. It's clearly visible. So dynamics lights is bottleneck for those box. Also sky. It's really slow down the game. And I think sky is I think the rendition interface is what killing it, but software rendering run fast. Maybe we can try, I guess, to look at software rendered version to see how it looks like. Well, this is not original Quake, this is a map pack recently released. It's a tremor. Ouch. I think sky is something like software rendered, but then later texture filtering applied by rendition video card, I think. And also, if you change a console variable surface lookup back to 1, it becomes a little bit slower than we use 0. And also, I know anti-aliasing is still experimental and not implemented fully, and Q-spawns also, I think I already write it to you at the forums. They are not perfectly aligned. Can I zoom in? See, it's looks like a chainsaw from the left and from the right, while it should be, I think, pixels, like square pixels. It's just little, you know, minor minor bugs. I can say. Oh my god. So this is map pack is from 2026. Some maps is compatible to vanilla Quake, so all the other packs or visual anomalies we can see here, it's about the map pack itself. I think it's not fully vanilla compatible. Ah. Jarin. It's because the spawn data is sent as a bunch of horizontal rows and it's aligned to virtual pixels. Which mode is this? This is Tremor. Well, and it's not it's vanilla maps, but it's not vanilla compatible fully, I think, because I downloaded it and I manually packed compressed it to pack files which Quake load natively. By some cases not gonna work, I don't know, out of the box, so additional manipulations need to be done. Also, I seen some cracks. Let me start the new game. And I'm not sure if they all about the vQuake itself. Oh, they go. No more cracks. Okay. The fires, those torches, they drawn a correct way, so everything is alright. But by default, we have the MIP 1, and you see at a distance when MIP mapping is applied to models, you could see some cracks filled with the blue color. See? And when we use the AMIP, the underscore AMIP 0 MIP maps will not be used for models. So models, all the models, enemy models and rest. Don't know what causes it. Okay. Just showcasing. So another bottleneck of those box, there is a lot of flickering lights, dynamic lights, light styles they called in Quake, and you see how struggle does box to perform calculations here. And it's become even worse if errors underscore swap interval, I mean surface lookup, will be used as one. It becomes even much slower. Even sound struggles. So air surface lookup 0 is much more performance. Sometimes even walls have that blue cracks. It's rarely can be seen, but sometimes we can notice them. And I broke my mouse left button, so I'm uh, using right mouse button to attack. I haven't not seen that. You think it's MIP map related? Swap over to your left hand. Well, in the Windows settings I swapped it to be left-handed, but for some reason it works everywhere except of DOSBox. So in DOSBox for Quake 1 I specially assigned it this attack to mouse 2 because it's not works in DOSBox. DOSBox ignores somehow Windows settings. Yeah, it could be mipmap related for models. Or for example, there is a corpse. Let's change to a mip1 and go far. Oh, 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 oh. I could add that in a mouse feature. Well, it's also minor because not so many people prefer to play. Oh, you see? A dog. When mipmap is used for models, when you go a little bit far, it starts